honest with yourself for a second. How many times you have read an entire biology chapter, closed the book, and then forgotten half of it within a week? Now imagine revisiting an entire chapter in less than 15 minutes simply by looking at diagrams, flowcharts, and visual summaries. Sounds impossible. Today I'm going to show you why it's not. Thousands of NEET aspirants are still relying on passive reading, but the students who retain concepts the longest often use one simple strategy: they revise visually. And today I'm sharing a handbook designed specifically to help you exactly that. So, if you are someone preparing for NEET 2027 or even starting early, I highly recommend staying till the end because this handbook might completely change your revision game. Hello, everyone, welcome back to Scholar Psyche, the place where we don't just prepare for NEET, we prepare to outperform our previous selves. Today I'm genuinely excited because I am introducing a resource that many aspirants ask for repeatedly: the ultimate NEET Visual Biology Handbook. Now, let me make one thing very clear: this is not another bulky notes completion. It is not a summary chapter. It is not a summary for each chapter. And it's definitely not a resource you will all download and never open again. This handbook is designed with one goal: to help biology stay in your mind longer. And honestly, I think that's what every NEET aspirants need. Let's take a closer look into what is inside this handbook. Complete chapter wise visual library. This handbook contains diagrams from almost every important NEET chapter. Everything is arranged systematically, no random pages, no unnecessary clutter, just clean, organized visuals. Ready for revision. Plant kingdom and anatomy illustrations. You will find diagrams covering plant tissues, root anatomy, stem anatomy, leaf structures, transpiration pathways, photosynthesis cycle, xylem transport, mineral absorption. These chapters become much easier when you can actually visualize what is happening. Human Physiology Atlas, one of the most scoring portions of biology. Inside, you will find human heart diagrams, digestive systems, respiratory pathways, nephrons, endocrine glands, female reproductive system, male reproductive system, eye structure, brain sections, blood circulation charts, hormonal pathways. Inside, instead of memorizing blindly, you will start understanding connections of concepts in that link in your mind, and understanding leads to retention. Don't forget that. Genetics made visual. Let's be honest, genetics scares many students, but it doesn't have to. This handbook includes visual representation of DNA structures, replication, transcription, translation, Mendelian crosses, pedigrees, biotechnology processes, PCR techniques. Concepts that once looked complicated suddenly begin making sense. Ecology in mind maps. Ecology often feels information heavy: food chains, ecological pyramids, biochemical cycles, population interactions, success diagrams, energy flow charts, perfect for quick revision sessions. It's all simplified into this particular handbook. You may ask why visual revision works. I want you to think something. Can you remember the cover page of your favorite book? Probably yes. Can you remember that you ate exactly Can you remember what you ate exactly 3 weeks ago? Probably not. That's because your brain naturally remembers images more efficiently, and biology is one of the most visual subject you will ever study. The problem isn't that students forget. The problem is that students revise biology in ways their brains don't enjoy. Our brains need to enjoy what we study. It has to enjoy each and every diagram. So the problem isn't that students forget. The problem is that students revise biology in the way their brains don't enjoy. Reading pages repeatedly, isn't always effective. Visual revision makes studying feel lighter, faster, and surprisingly enjoyable. One diagram can trigger an entire chapter. One flowchart can recall 20 concepts. One labeled figure can save 5 minutes during an exam. And during NEET, 5 minutes can make a huge, huge difference. How to use this handbook? Here's my recommendation. You can use it as you want it. Step 1, read the NCRT first. Understand the theory. Step 2, open this handbook, observe diagrams carefully, cover the labels, and quiz yourself. Step 3, redraw difficult figures. Enough, even rough sketches help. Drawing improves retention dramatically. It helps a lot while remembering. Step 4, spend 10 minutes daily revising visuals. 10 minutes, that's all within a month. You will have revised nearly every important biology diagram. Step 5, before mock tests, use this handbook as your visual revision atlas. It can become one of your most powerful last minute resources. I have made this handbook completely available for you for free. You'll find the download link in the description box below. Download it, save it, print it, highlight it, annotate it, and most importantly, use it consistently. I want consistency over one time revisions because downloaded resources don't increase marks, revised resources do. So here's a community challenge. Let's do something interesting. Let's do something that we belong to it. Comment below visual wins marks and tell me what should I create next. A physics formula atlas, organic chemistry mechanism book, POIQ mind maps, NCRT highlighted handbooks. I'd love to know. Remember this, NEET isn't won by students who collect the most resources. It's won by students who master the resources they already have. One diagram revised today, one concept understood tomorrow, one chapter remembered the next week, and eventually one rank that changes your entire future. This is Scholar Psyche. Train your mind, visualize biology, crack NEET. I'll see you in the next handbook release, revision challenge, or mock test. Until then, stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep turning diagrams into distinctions. Subscribe to Scholars Psyche, comment, like, share this video to your fellow aspirants to help them also crack NEET. Bye, guys.